BlueWallet Review, My Experience. Product links are below. BlueWallet balances simplicity and advanced Bitcoin features for both beginners and seasoned users. Its clean interface and robust security never feel overwhelming. A standout feature is Lightning Network support for fast, low-cost daily transactions. Manage both on-chain and off-chain Bitcoin with ease. BlueWallet is non-custodial, meaning you control your private keys, essential for Bitcoin security. Multi-signature wallets offer enhanced protection. The intuitive interface simplifies wallet creation, fund management, and transaction tracking. The minimalist design prioritizes usability and security. For privacy, BlueWallet integrates with Electrum servers, allowing connection to your own nodes. Import and export wallets using various formats like BIP39 and B84. Available on iOS, Android, and web. In my experience, BlueWallet blends user-friendliness and advanced features seamlessly. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced user needing Lightning Network support, BlueWallet has you covered. It's fast, responsive, and offers secure Bitcoin management without clutter. Its focus on user autonomy, privacy, and security makes it a solid choice for anyone serious about Bitcoin. Consider BlueWallet for a reliable, easy-to-use Bitcoin wallet with uncompromising features.